Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be making another toy wooden truck, but this time I'm going to be making some special wood that a friend of mine had handed to me, and this is called Big Leaf Maple. So I've never worked with anything quite like this. I've always been working with stuff that I picked up at Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever it may have lying around. So this is a really unique type of wood that I'm going to be working with, and I'm hoping I don't mess it up. So one of the things I'm going to do different this time is I'm not only going to make the truck like I normally do, but I'm also going to attempt to make my own wheels. I want to try to do everything I possibly can out of this one piece of wood. So let's go ahead and get started. my Big Leaf Maple toy truck. One of the things I'm kind of disappointed with is I did not make my axles out of this wood. I'm just not sure exactly how I would have done that, and the headlights and the taillights. So other than the axles and the taillights, everything else is made out of the Big Leaf Maple. So one of the things I did get a lot out of this is knowing how to make my wheels. So this was kind of exciting. I really like how the wheels all came out. So from here on out, I may try to use the same technique on my other toy truck. So, well, I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one.